further ado, let's have this. Let's have our... Ooh, this is your UX13. Yeah. UX13 Golem Rock. Okay, this is a Golem Rock. And this is a defense type kind of Beyblade. And yeah, this... The design, you can see here. See that design, man? That's very nice. Yeah, right there. Oh. And at the back, you can see there the details, which includes the blade. Yeah, the blade is a little bit under, going lower attacks. Yeah, because its ratchet is very interesting. Because the ratchet is 160, but it's 1. It's 60, the lower, the second lowest, because we already have a 55. But here we have the 60, but it's 1. Okay, 1 pointed part or contact point. So yeah, and then it's I forgot the name of this one, but its bit is UN. I don't know what's UN. UN under needle. But as I know, N is needle. Yeah. But I don't know. Or, well, yeah, I don't know. I forgot what is UN. But yeah, we have a UN here for our Golem Rock. Okay? So, that's it. So, we unleash it and we will have this on the next part of our vlog. And still, it will have an unboxing, a spin test, and a test battle of some other Beyblades. We'll have a compete with other UX, and then we'll have a compete to battle it with some BX, and then from the CX. Let's see who will win on that battle. Okay, so that's for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please don't consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to inform for our next videos. Okay, so yeah, short kind of video, but yeah, I just want you to know that we have another Beyblade here. Yeah, and so still, and yeah, more Beyblade, because I put another Beyblade, another group of Beyblade right here. Okay, so we'll just have them next time. Okay, for now, it's just unleashing. That's it. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Check that out, signing off, and Gobbler Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. 3, 2, 1, go shoot.